Person, congratulations to you, Nubian Lee, and your dear wife. Iranga mchitu chinecho obufumbo, Nubian Lee bera mukulu we. Obufumbo mbaze mwebanga ddene. Mwaka mulamba n'emyezi nawe ddu. N'olwekyo Nubian Lee ebintu bino bibikyankalana ojjanga weebuuza ku mukulu wo mu bintu bino ojja kuwa ku magezi. May God bless you with drinks plus school fees.
District Man representative or MP Kasanda district. I just want to say congratulations, Shiko. Yes, I remember the tears in March India, but I also learned one thing from you. You are extremely brave, you're very courageous, you're so outright in what you want to do, and I am so glad that I got to know you better. I congratulate you so much. I congratulate Nubian. I remember when Nubian was telling me that he was going to marry, I almost screamed in his ears. I was so excited about it because I knew for every woman, this is a dream come true. You'd want to be with a partner who you know loves and respects you, but goes the extra mile to show the entire world that he has chosen you and no one else. So I was so excited about this, and Nubian, thank you for doing this for us. It means a lot for us, and we respect you for that. Congratulations, both of you.
I'm the Deputy Secretary General and Woman Member of Parliament in Tambala District. One time I opened up to Nubian Lee. I told him I am his secret admirer. I like Nubian Lee and I like everything about him. One time I told him I like your smile. Keep on smiling. Everyone at home knows I love Nubian Lee like a little brother, and I love him as such. I love you, Nubian Lee, and I like you. To Muton, if the only missing thing was that assurance, you have now been assured that you are the only one. And make sure for now and later, she's the only one. Let's now fight on to the end until when we acquire that ultimate crown we are fighting for. Congratulations, my little brother and my sister-in-law.
Gloria, President and First Lady, that was deliberate. All invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I feel very honored to be given this opportunity to speak on this very, very important occasion when we celebrate the union of two comrades in the struggle, Nubian Lee and Shiko, when they make a commitment to be together in love, for better, for worse. On behalf of the Secretariat of the National Youth Platform and on my own behalf, I congratulate you both very, very deeply and pray that Jah blesses you and your day is moving forward. I first met Nubian Lee about 5 years ago, and I met him through our President, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Through various interactions and engagements, I came to know Nubian Lee as an extremely committed, brave, hardworking, and humble gentleman. His creativity needs no mention here. His reliability needs no mention here. His commitment to the struggle needs no mention here. As we all know, he has gone through numerous problems and challenges because of choosing to stand on the side of the people. Despite being an artist, a famous celebrity, Nubian Lee is down to earth, and you'll find him interacting with every other person in the ghettos of Dangala, Kamocha, and in any other place you find him. He's a friend to those who you think that life has thrown aside. When he was arrested in Kalangala together with other comrades, his true character came out. Every time we went to visit them at Chitale, all the comrades who were there, some of them would speak about him in tears because of the role he played to bring them together. They told us that he became a counselor, he became a father, he became a judge, he became everything to the team that was at Chitale. Even when he himself was discouraged sometimes, he remained encouraged and continued to encourage others. which is very rare, that he was in prison, but he was encouraging other prisoners to be strong and courageous. The inclusion of Bobby Young on his wedding entourage speaks of the friendship he has with the foot soldiers and every other person that is in the National Unity platform. I think it also speaks of the friendships that they have cultivated over a long time. On the campaign trail, Nubian Lee was a source of courage for all of us. And Honorable Chagulani loves to say that Nubian Lee encourages him to get into trouble, and somehow, for him, they never get to know that he's the one who causes the trouble in the first place. But he is an extremely courageous person. In his perceived simplicity lies a man with the heart of a lion. And those of you who know him know that what I'm saying is true. I thank you, my brother, Comrade Nubian Lee, for being a true comrade par excellence. I thank you for being consistent, for being a true friend. I think in this country of Uganda, many people cannot talk about many friendships that have lasted for a very long time, like your friendship with our president, the Honorable Robert Chagulani Sentamu. The story of our president is well known. He has been betrayed, stabbed in the back, and left aside in the cold by people who have been very close to him. But Nubian Lee has remained very consistent and has stood by his side. When we started the People Power movement some years back, many comrades put themselves on the shelf, and many of them indeed were bought. And I'm sure, apart from our First Lady, the second person who the regime would want to compromise is Nubian Lee. And I beg to say this, that he has been approached a number of times, but he has decided to stand his ground and to say that scarcity on the side of oppression is better than plenty on the side of oppression. Scarcity on the side of the people is better than plenty on the side of the oppressor. So I want to appreciate you for that, and I want to promise you that your sacrifice will not be in vain. As I conclude, ladies and gentlemen, I'll say a few words about Mutoni, who we like to call Mama Meha. Until a few months ago, she was an ordinary comrade, a very strong comrade, but her true strength came out when Nubian Lee was arrested and jailed at Karanga. She proved many of us, she proved her worth and herself so much in those very difficult times, as she moved back and forth from Makinge prison to Chitalia, taking stuff not only for Nubian Lee but for all other comrades. Even when Nubian Lee was in jail, Mama Meha was always encouraging the wives, the spouses, the parents of those others who were in jail. She took it upon herself to visit them, to encourage them, and I believe that sometimes she would go back to her house and cry because of what was going on. But when she would come out in the public, she would show herself as strong for the sake of the other comrades whose loved ones were in jails. So we want to appreciate you for that. Therefore, friends, here today we are celebrating the union of two revolutionary comrades. I believe that this celebration we're having today is very important. I also believe that in the struggle we will have moments like this when we celebrate our victories while we prepare for the bigger celebration for the victory of democracy, for the victory of the people of Uganda. I want to thank the President and our First Lady for choosing